In this video, we're going to look at going to the next step with our text and creating text that has a clear middle between our letters. So in this case, you can see here we've got the green acrylic of the skateboard. I've got the purple vinyl sticker, which is the outline of my letters, and the inside is going to be the color of the acrylic as well. In our last step, we created this one here, and you can see these letters are solid. We can't see the acrylic in the middle of these letters. They're completely solid, so that's what our vinyl sticker would look like. So what we need to do for this one is go back to the one we made here and click on our text. And the first thing I want you to do is come up to the stroke point. Yours will be set on 1, which is quite thick. In order to get good results, we're going to click on our stroke and we're going to change that to 0.25. Try that again, click on that, 0.25, there we go. And that'll give us better results. So next step is to go up to, select it first, then go up to Object, Path, and we're looking for Offset Path. What Offset Path does, you can see I've got a little preview there. Mine's defaulted to 3.5 millimeters. It creates an offset of that exact path of our letter, like our hashtag here, 3.5 millimeters away. So what we can do to make this actually look a bit more decent is change that offset to something like 1 millimeter, because we're only working with very small letters. And you can see that's coming out a little bit better. We have a fair bit of overlap here. So what I might do in this case, instead of going on the outside of my letters, let's go on the inside of my letters. So I'm going to go put a minus sign, so negative, and we'll see what negative 1 millimeter looks like. It's not too bad, but I'm not getting the full letters there, so I'm just going to tweak that now to 0.5. We'll see what that looks like. There we go, much better. So I'm going to hit OK on that. So with this particular font, it's probably not the best choice because my hashtag here is not looking the greatest. So again, this is a great example of making sure you spend the time to choose a really good font to get good results. So in this case, I can't change my font anymore, as I said earlier. So I would have to delete this and go again. So I'll take you back to my original one here. So this is a different font. I believe it's using Comic Sans. You can see that's turned out pretty nice. It's much more clearer. And that was just simply made by using the offset tool.